Panasonic Connects process automation brings assembly equipment, services, and a full spectrum of software solutions to enhance your business. Whether your organization is high-mix, low-volume, low-mix, high-volume, or anywhere in between. It begins with inventory. Starting at loading docks, Process Automation's material management solutions, powered by Panasonic software, streamline your operations. From screen printers to assembly equipment and complete lines, our solutions ensure that your components are assembled quickly and properly. Panasonic weaves it all together with real-time monitoring and reports about your chips on their paths from solo components to product parts. Panasonic verifies that the correct materials are in place. It checks for quality, scanning each part to ensure that your materials meet quality standards. The system also anticipates tasks and stoppages, alerting operators so that they can be proactive and respond quickly. As the process continues, Panasonic lets you analyze performance and product quality, ultimately reducing risk of recalls. But it's not just measuring results that make your work better. The software streamlines product changeover by tracking and tracing your product outputs to boost efficiency, lowering labor costs, and increasing quality overall. All along, Panasonic ensures that the machines you rely on are in top form too. It monitors machine performance in real time and sends maintenance alerts to head off equipment issues for optimal line uptime. Panasonic Connects process automation line solutions means just one point of contact, tailor-made to your manufacturing needs. To make sure every step of your process is complete, our industry-leading partners provide complementary equipment to deliver a total solution designed for you. As you and your company evolve, our autonomous systems support your ever-changing business needs. But even autonomous systems need people behind them. Our assembly solutions streamline workflows so that employees can focus on increasing output, learning new ways of working, and fully preparing for what comes next. Whether you're looking for state-of-the-art machines, software, or solutions, your path to enhance manufacturing isn't a solo effort. And we are proud of our partnerships with manufacturers who are driving innovation in the industry. You'll benefit from a full suite of service offerings with a personal one-call-away connection. From pre-planning to ongoing maintenance, you'll get product service and software support, all in one place. You can count on us for support for technical assistance 24/7. And for comprehensive needs, use custom consulting services, deployment services, project management, and personalized training through virtual or in-person services to maximize your success. Because alongside cost savings, new efficiencies, and revenue growth, there's another outcome that matters. It's personal, it's human. And it's the living, breathing result of business choices for a new age. That's why we continue to pioneer ever better approaches to work. Your success is Panasonic Connects' mission. Together, we can prepare for the future of manufacturing.